Alright, here is another fan. This is a Lakewood 12-inch oscillating table fan. Model number is 1200A. I've gotten this from a sale a couple years ago now. This is in pretty good condition for these. Sometimes these are broken off when I find them, but this one has them all still intact, perfectly fine. I would say this is probably a product from the 80s. So go ahead and look this fan over and we'll turn it on. So here's the front. There's the LW Lakewood. There's the side. There's the back. And here's the bottom. Still has all its rubber feet still intact. Here's the informations. Just the plug. Non-polarized plug. Alright, and go ahead and turn this on. Here is low. It's blowing a pretty good breeze. Pretty quiet. It's medium. These Lakewood fans are known for their rapid speed changes. So it has a very nice soft low speed, and then it has a pretty good medium speed, and then when you put these on high, it just goes really fast. Here. Pretty powerful fan, considering that these have plastic grills. I usually kind of find that when a fan that has plastic grills kind of restricts a lot of airflow out. Alright, and here's high. For the amount of noise that it's throwing out, I think it should definitely be blowing more air than this, but still it's pretty strong. There's the oscillator. And we'll turn it off. And there you have it, Lakewood 12-inch oscillating table fan model 1200A.